This sun bear is house hunting. She needs a new place to sleep every night because she's always roaming for food. But when you live in a rainforest, packed with creepy crawlies, finding a cozy spot to bed down is tricky. In this forest, it never rains, it pours. Worse still, the rain awakens the nightmare neighbors. Tiger leeches, hundreds of them. Each able to eat 6 times its body weight in blood. But there's one place the leeches won't go, and that's up. Sun bears' claws can grow twice as large as a grizzly's, so they can shimmy up a tree in no time, to a dizzying 130 feet. But trees are not designed for sleepy bears. Not comfy, still awake. Oh, enough is enough. This clever bear knows exactly what to do. She chooses the perfect location, and she does something rarely seen in the animal kingdom. She begins to weave. She's building a bear-sized bed. Like many dwellings in nature, hers is temporary. But it provides comfort and safety.